Good morning, everyone. So I was tasked to give a Java code. So the task was to give a sample size that 1 to 10, that is take 1 to 10. So for example, if the user asks size equals to 5, so this will show this 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, alternating 1. So this has 1 1, this is a 2 1, 3 1, so 4 1, 5 1. So, and we'll ask to terminate. If you terminate yes, so it will end. And if you terminate no, it will repeat again to you have to give a sample size. So I already have a code. The application I use is Visual Studio. So first is import Java util scanner. So import Java util scanner. So importing scanner class from Java.utils package to take import from the user. So next public class test or text5. So text5 has to be same as text5.java. So you can write anything. So text5 anything na kwan text. So anything na pangalan. So next public static void main string kanisya kay array args. So public say mo ni ang main method, so the starting point of Java program. Di kakakimo kung wala ni siya. So scanner equals new scanner system.in. So kani siya mo create siya og scanner object to read user input from the console. So string terminate equals no. So kani siya mo declare and initialize siya a string variable terminate to control the loop. So the program will keep running until the user enter yes. So next system.out.println. So ang system.out.println mo display siya. So for example, run Java. Mo display siya og size max equals to 10 and same po siya din size minimum equals to 1. So while terminate that equal ignore case another string yes. So kani siya kay mo start a while loop that will continue running until the user enter yes. Then kani siya kay mo ignore class difference in yes. Kani na part. So kaning system output lim give sample size kay muas siya sa user sa user to input integer. Ang integer kay number na siya. Input integer. So kani sample mo butang kog size 10 na. Then int size. So ang int size kay mo declare an integer variable size to store the user input. While true kay mo ni start sa infinite loop to ensure the user to provide a valid size. So size equals scanner that next integer ang kaning int kay integer ni siya. Ang buhaton ana kay mo siya to read an integer input from the user. So if size is equals to 1 is greater than 1 and size is less than to 10. So siya muas siya di mo limit siya ng 1 and to 10. So within 1 to 10 na siya then break. Kaning break kay if valid kay mukuan sa end na po sa loop din So system out print lim invalid size, please enter number between 1 to 10. So what's that terminate sa tag? No, mo give sample size. So mo kwanta og sulat ta og 11 para mo display siya ani invalid size, please enter between 1 to 10. So dapat mo enter ka within 1 to 10. So kaning sample 5 na character or character ni sa character. So multi-array, so we'll be using multi-array. Pattern equals new character size array. So kani siya kay mo create a 2D character array to store the pattern. So the outer array or rows has a size number of elements. So next, kaning for integer I equal to 1 mo initialize na kani. I is equal to 0. So I is less than size and I plus plus. So mo create of loop to create a pattern by fulfilling the array. So loop to row 0 to size negative 1. Next, pattern I equals new character I plus 1. Mo plus siya og 1 by rows. So allocate memory for each row. The row length increases with each iteration. Ang iteration kay kwan kani. So next, for integer j equals to 0, initialize na po kaglain na j. J is less than or equal to I and j plus plus. So loop through each column of each row. Each column is here. So pattern array I and pattern array j equals to 1. So fill each position in row with character 1. Less than niyag 1. So next, for character array row pattern. So kani siya kay mo loop kanina ko na code kay kanina part na code kay mo loop to print the pattern. So kaning for character row patterns kay iterate to each row. Diyon system out print lim new string row. So kani siya kay mo convert niya ang character array to a string and print it. Next, system out terminate. System out print kay terminate. Kani siya na part kay mo ask the user if they want to terminate the program. So kani siya. And if yes kay terminate equals scanner next. Kani siya na parts. If yes entered kay the loop will stop mo undang siya. Diyon system out and muning mo undang siya. The scanner will end mo kon siya undang siya. So scanner that close kani parenthesis. Kani siya kay mo close siya scanner and mo prevent siya resource leaks. Di siya mo kuan magpatakag hatak mo prevent ni siya leaks. So that's all for today and thank you so much for listening. So that's all. Bye bye.